Hey guys, my name is Patrick Cogen and in this video I'm going to be reviewing all-in-one platform called Builderall, so stay tuned. If you are new to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button right below this video. This channel is all about growing your online business, whether it's affiliate marketing, email marketing, landing pages, building websites or sales funnels, so you can take your business to the next level. So let's get right into it and talk about Builderall. If you don't know what Builderall is, it is basically an all-in-one online tool for your online business. It can be used for any kind of business, and as a business owner you need a tool like Builderall. You need sales funnels, email marketing, and also capability to automate your business. So let me show you how it looks inside the Builderall platform right here. So as you can see, in Builderall there are lots of tools you can work with and everything that you need to start an affiliate marketing business. So if you're a beginner and you are looking for something that's gonna help you get started and it's very simple and doesn't require technical skills, and you want to make, for example, some websites for clients and you don't want to go set up hosting and get WordPress and all those different things, this builder is very easy to use and navigate from page to page. I've been marketing online for 6 years now. I've been building funnels for all different kinds of niches, and one of the most important thing is the fastest load speed, because we are driving lots of traffic to these pages and we definitely don't want to be loading slow, because we know we are gonna lose a lot of conversions during that process. So first of all, there are 3 plans you can choose from. I want to let you guys know that I purchased the highest plan. Now if I compare it to my other builder I was using, it cost me about $300 a month, which is not even an all-in-one tool. And the reason why I bought this last plan is because I want to be able to refer people to this program. I want to be able to take advantage of their compensation plan and earn commissions, because if this is something that I really like and it is better than something I've been using, then I'm going to refer people on over to this builder. And I'm going to show you guys that there are lots of amazing tools you can use to start your online business. So I chose this last plan so I can take the full advantage of this platform. So let's get back to my Builderall account. Okay, and now I'm gonna show you some tools you can use inside this platform. So first of all, you don't want any tool that you are gonna use to build websites that's not mobile responsive, because everybody is using their cell phones nowadays to navigate on a web, and if you do not have mobile responsive website, you are gonna be losing out on a lot of conversions if you don't have a tool like this that is mobile responsive. That's one thing right here. And another thing is, as I said, you can build only mobile responsive pages or websites that are mobile responsive. If I go ahead and click this builders button right here and then mobile first drag and drop builder and the new mobile first site, it's gonna take me to a page where I can choose from lots of templates. And for example, I'm gonna show you guys, if I click for example this one, I click edit, I'm gonna show you that this is already ready for mobiles and you can just edit right into it. So wait a little bit when it loads, and now here we are, and as you can see this is already mobile responsive, which is really great, and you can just edit right into it. I can move this button, I can change images by right clicking it and appearance, and then I can choose color and inner background. I can choose the image right here. So it's really simple to build right into this page. Also, there will be a link in the description so you can start creating your own funnels, but I'm gonna go ahead and actually show you what kind of pages you can build in this platform. This company also provides you with lots of pages in many different niches, so whether you are into health and fitness, or dating, or making money online, you can choose your own page and start from there. So when I go to this drag and drop Pixel Perfect and then I click new website, it's gonna take me to a page with lots of templates, but also lots of different categories. As you can see right here, health and beauty, music, fashion. You can choose your own template. So for example, I click on this music. And as you can see, here are lots of templates, and I can just pick one and click edit. And now I'm on a page where I can build my own website. And as you can see, it already looks really professional. So whatever niche you are in, guys, you can choose your own template and start building right into it. Okay, I'm gonna go back and show you another thing which is really important, and it's called autoresponder. In this case, it's Mailing Boss. So Mailing Boss autoresponder automatically responds via email to any lead that gets into your funnel. You can set up your follow-up messages, for example, and each time you have a new lead, it will automatically receive your follow-up emails. I can show you guys. When I click Mailing Boss autoresponder and then access Mailing Boss, it's gonna take me to a page where I can manage my Mailing Boss account. Here I can create a new subscribers list or a new campaign. Also, I have my list right here. If I click lists, here you can see my different lists. I go back. So with Builderall, you have your website builder and autoresponder. Those are the most important tools you need for your affiliate marketing business. I'm reviewing this product because somebody brought it to my attention that this is all-in-one platform. I want to make sure that this is something that people can use to make the most amount of money with affiliate marketing while save as much money as they possibly can. Also, I want to show you guys another things. When I go to these videos, here you have animated videos. So this basically means those are the cartoon characters, the demonstrating products and stuff like that. You can create your own animated videos also inside this platform. Also, we have some apps here. There is ClickMap, which is also a good tool, Chat Review, Autopost, or Facebook Chatbot. Also, we have ShareLocker, which is, if you are familiar with CPA, it is a very important tool for you to use. Also, it's e-learning and script generator. If you don't know how to come up with right words, this tool will generate the whole script for you, which is also amazing. Also, we have here webinars, so you can create your own webinars, and also marketplace. And I want to show you guys one last thing, which is very important, and it's called Earning Calculator. So this company will pay you for referring customers to use Builderall. If you love the Builderall platform, and as you probably noticed, I love the Builderall platform very much, you want to tell your friends about it, so why not earn a commission from it? The Builderall is easy to sell with tools, not companies or network marketing or anything like that, because as I show you guys, there are lots of useful tools you can use in order to grow your online business or start your affiliate marketing journey. So let's say you can refer in 1 year 52 people, which is 1 person per week. And then from 52 people, just 50% will work as an affiliate. For example, let's say that each one of these affiliates make just 15 sales, for example. As you can see, your monthly income is more than $6,000. And this is really amazing. That is pretty much all I wanted to cover as far as reviewing Builderall system. It's very easy to use, has lots of tools, and you can see that you are able to earn very nice commissions. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys do want to check out the Builderall, there's gonna be a 7-day free trial. Just go ahead and click the first link in the description below. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button right below this video. It helps me know that you like these kind of videos and I can do more of them. Also, if you are new to the channel, be sure to smash that subscribe button if you don't want to miss out on the future content. With that being said, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.